வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium Unit 1 Measurement Textbook Exercises. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Choose the correct one. Here 4 options are given. Here answer is option A. Millimeter is less than centimeter, centimeter is less than meter, and meter is less than kilometer. Question number 2. Rulers, measuring tapes, and metric scales are used to measure. Answer option D. Length. Third question. 1 metric is equal to. Answer option B. 20 quintals. Fill in the blanks. Meter is the unit of dash. Answer length. Meter is the unit of length. Second question. Thickness of a cricket ball is measured by dash. Answer vernier caliper. Thickness of a cricket ball is measured by vernier caliper. Radius of a thin wire is measured by dash. Answer screw gauge. Radius of a thin wire is measured by screw gauge. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. False statement வந்து false இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டை நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், எடுத்து எழுதணும். First question. The SI unit of electric current is kilogram. Answer false. The correct statement is the SI unit of electric current is ampere. Not kilogram, it is ampere. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Second question. Kilometer is one of the SI units of measurement. Answer false. The correct statement is not kilometer, it is meter. Meter is one of the SI units of measurement. 1 Celsius degree is an interval of 1 Kelvin and 0 degrees Celsius is 273.15 Kelvin. Answer true. 1 Celsius degree is an interval of 1 Kelvin and 0 degrees Celsius is 273.15 Kelvin. With the help of vernier caliper, we can have an accuracy of 0.1 millimeter, and with screw gauge, we can have an accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. Answer true. With the help of vernier caliper, we can have an accuracy of 0.1 millimeter, and with screw gauge, we can have an accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. Match the following. Here column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1, length, mass, time, temperature. In column 2, Kelvin, meter, kilogram, second are given. We have to match it correctly. Answer. Length meter, mass kilogram, time second, temperature Kelvin. Match to screw gauge, vernier caliper in column 1. In column 2, coins, cricket ball are given. We have to match it correctly. Answer screw gauge, coins, vernier caliper, cricket ball. Assertion and reason type questions. Mark the correct answer as. Here 4 options are given below. We have to choose it correctly. Assertion. 0 degree C is equal to 273.16 Kelvin. For our convenience, we take it as 273 Kelvin after rounding of the decimal. Reason. To convert a temperature on the Celsius scale, we have to add 273 to the given temperature. Here, assertion is true. Reason is also true. reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct reason. Assertion. Distance between two celestial bodies is measured in terms of light year. Reason. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year is 1 light year. Here assertion is true. Reason is also true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Answer very briefly. Define measurement. Answer. Measurement is defined as the determination of the size or magnitude of the quantity. Define standard unit. SI system of units is the modernized and improved form of the previous system of units. What is the full form of SI system? International System of Units. Define least count of any device. The smallest length which can be measured by meter scale is called least count. Fifth question. What do you know about pitch of screw gauge? Answer. Pitch of screw gauge. Pitch of the screw is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for one complete rotation of the head. Sixth question. Can you find the diameter of a thin wire of a length 2 meter using the rule from your instrument box? Answer. No. Diameter of a thin wire of length 2 cm cannot be measured by ruler. It can be measured by screw gauge. Answer briefly. Write the need of a standard unit. Answer. Earlier, different unit systems were used by people from different countries. So, there is a necessity to use worldwide system of measurement called SI system of units. Hence, SI system of units was developed and recommended by General Conference on Weights and Measures at Paris in 1960 for international usage. How will you measure the least count of vernier caliper? Answer. Least count of a vernier caliper LC is equal to value of one smallest mean scale division by total number of vernier scale division. LC is equal to 1 millimeter by 10 is equal to 0.1 millimeter is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Answer in detail. Explain a method to find the thickness of a hollow teacup. Answer. Thickness of a hollow teacup can be found by vernier caliper. First, calculate the least count LC and the zero error ZT of the vernier caliper. Now, grip the hollow teacup between the upper jaws to find the thickness. Note the main scale reading MSR just before the zero of the vernier. Note the division of the vernier scale which coincides with the main scale division VC. The thickness of a hollow teacup is found by the formula is equal to MSR plus VC into LC plus or minus ZC. ஒரு டேப்லெட் கலம் போட்டுக்கணும். சீரியல் நம்பர், மெயின் ஸ்கேல் ரீடிங் MSR into 10 power minus 2 meter, Vernier scale coincidence VC, observed reading OR is equal to MSR plus VC into LC, corrected reading CR is equal to OR plus or minus ZC. How will you find the thickness of 1 rupee coin? Answer. The thickness of the 1 rupee coin can be found by screw gauge. Determine the pitch, the least count and the zero error of the screw gauge. Place the coin between the two studs. Rotate the head until the coin is held firmly but not tightly with help of the ratchet. Note the reading of the pitch scale crossed by the head scale and the head scale division that coincides with the pitch scale axis. The thickness of the coin is given by PSR plus CHSR, corrected HSR. Repeat the experiment for different positions of the coin. Tabulate the readings. The average of the last column readings given the thickness of the 1 rupee coin.